Today we will set up fee module, first the master, and then we'll see how we can collect the fees. First we'll log in as admin. We'll start the master setting first. First one is fee group. It is just a name given to a particular set of fee heads, like academic fee, non-academic fee. The name can be anything except for the other charges. The other charges has a specific meaning. The fee heads added under the other charges group will be collected in cash only, and the collection will be possible in bulk for multiple students simultaneously. We will move to fees. Fees is just name of fee heads or fee components added under any fee group, like admission fee under non-academic fees, course material fee, anything. The name again can be anything as per university or institution specification. The name can be anything. Next, we will set up fee for any particular program. We'll set up a fee structure. We'll call it fee schedule. Go to fee schedule new screen and click on plus button. Select select academic year, batch. Give a name to the fee structure, anything. And the number of installments the structure will have. Here you will see the list of fee heads that you have added earlier, all the fee heads. You can add whatever is applicable for this particular fee structure. This order will be used at the time of fee collection as priority. Whatever fees ahead has lower order, it will be collected first. And you can add the amount also. This amount will be the sum of amount that will be collected in both the installment. If the number of installments is 2, this amount is the total amount that will be collected under this fee structure. You can set if it is refundable or not. If it is refundable, it will available at fee refund screen for refund later on. Any refund percentage amount you can add over here. On saving the fee schedule, next fee installment schedule screen will appear. You have mentioned that this fee structure has two installments. Now you have to enter the details of both installment at this particular screen. This due date has some specific meaning. This will be used for late fine collection later on if student is depositing the fee after due date. And here you have to mention the total amount that you have entered in the last screen. You have to segregate it at this particular screen, like what amount will be collected in first installment and what in the second installment. This fee installment detail will be editable. The first block will be editable at every step, but the second step, that is create update installment amount, will be editable till the moment no student have submitted the amount for that particular installment. If any of the student have deposited the amount for installment 1, this block will be uneditable. Next is copy fee structure. This will facilitate you to copy whole fee structure from one program to another program or multiple programs. We have selected academic year 11-12 fee pattern for BA history. Now we want the same pattern in another academic year 13-14 for BA History. We'll just select the academic year. We'll select the program. Whatever name we want to give this particular fee structure, we can edit here. Only 4 installments are created at the, although it has been specified that there are 6 installments in BA History, but only 4 has been created, so you can transfer only 4. Just select it and save it. The same will be copied to academic year 13-14. Next, we can set up fee installment fine details. Fee installment fine details will be depending upon the due date that we have entered while creating installments for any particular fee structure. Let's see how we'll do it. This is the detail for 2013-14 BA Honors History fee pattern. The due date is 9th of October 2012. We can enter the fine details. If a student deposits the fee after this particular date, we can collect fine, we can ask to submit fine for that particular student, and be it will be calculated on the basis of after how many days he is depositing the amount. Suppose if he is depositing the amount within 5 days after this due date, we can collect any amount 2000 extra from that particular student. If he deposits the amount between 5 to 10 days, we can collect 500 or any amount as fine amount. Just click it and save it. We have entered here. This means if a student deposits the amount within 5 days after this due date, 200 will be collected as fee fine amount. If the students deposit the amount between 6 to 10 days of this due date, only 500 will be collected as late fee fine, not 700. Only 500 will be collected as late fee fine amount. Next, we will see how fee demand works. Fee demand is an optional step that can be implemented. It has a meaning that whatever installment that you have created, that will remain inactive at the time of creation. You can make that effective or applicable but by raising a demand of that particular installment at this particular screen. For this particular fee pattern, fee installment 2 and 3 has been created, but they have not been demanded yet. So you can, once you demand it and approve the demand, then only the collection can start of that particular fee installment. You just have to enter the demand date for this particular installment. Any remarks and save it. There is an optional step if you want to demand for multiple fee patterns simultaneously. Once you create a demand, it will be sent for approval, and fee demand approval screen, at this screen this can be approved. So all these installments have been demanded, and only 15 will be visible at a time. Once you approve the top one, the bottom one will be visible after that. Only 15 will be visible at one point of time. Once you approve these demands, the collection can be started for these installments. You have to select an employee who will approve this particular demand and save it. This particular step of fee demand approval is optional. It can be you are not forced to use it. You can skip it. You can skip it by using a key at the fee demand process. Just go to campus configuration screen, select properties, and there is a key fee demand approval required. The value yes or no will decide whether this particular step will be applicable or not. If it is no, it will not be required. If it is yes, you have to create a demand and approve it. So for now we are setting it as no. So far we have created a fee structure, and this fee structure will be mapped to different students, and based on the fee structure mapped, same fee will be collected from that particular student. If you want to collect any additional fee, any unstructured additional fee that has not been mapped yet for any particular student, there is a facility to create extra fee demand. In this screen you just have to select academic year, any program. Like for BA Honors English, all the students are in 4th semester. You can select any number of students for which you are generating the demand. You can select a fee head against which you are demanding the extra demand, suppose for student welfare fund. Select the date on which you are creating the demand, the amount you want to collect from each student, whether it is refundable or not, and save it. The same will be visible at fee collection screen after the creation. There is also at this particular screen fee demand approval is also applicable, and using the same key fee demand approval required, this can be turned on or off. If you have created demand, use extra fee demand approval screen to approve the created demand. As we have set the value of that key as no, so there was no demand was created. It has automatically been approved, and same can be collected from fee collection screen. There is one more variation in extra fee demand that we have mentioned while creating the fee masters. Other fee demand. This is a bulk extra fee collection screen, and the collection mode will be cash by default. You can select any number of students, and you can see only fee heads added under fee other charges can be collected from this particular screen. So far there is no fee head added for other charges, so nothing is visible. We have to add a fee head first at the fee master creation screen. Create any fee head against other charges. Now the same will be available at other fee. You can see fine amount is visible here now. Select the fee head, enter the amount, select the name of the student for which you are collecting this amount, the mode of